Why don't you use these hidden tools on Windows 11? Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can use these hidden tools on Windows 11. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your laptops and your Windows 11, your PC, and then come to this search bar over here and search for Windows Tools. Now you can see once you write Windows Tools over here, it's going to pop up with this option. You simply have to click this or click open over here and it's going to bring you to this menu. Now you can use these tools side by side if you want. You can see this is a character map. If you open it, you just have to double click on it and it's going to open the character map for you. You can just type them over here and you can click send, or you can just copy the characters if you want. And then this is a command prompt that you can use to just command your PC. And then you have component services, computer management, control panel, event viewer. You can just open this event viewer over here. So here you can see that this is the event viewer. You can just see your events over here, view your events. You have this disk cleanup over here that you can use to clean up your disk drive of your PC. You have defragment and optimize drives. You have local security policy, print management, and all these options over here that you can use. So you simply have to come to your search bar and search for Windows tool, and tada! Here are the hidden tools that you were searching for on your Windows 11. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.